Hello, as you see, I'm just downloading the latest cumulative update preview for Windows 11. It's version 22H2 for 64 based system KHB number 5025305. And as you see, I'm just downloading this and will be what is new. Of course, now I'm using great build. Just a second. Asked on the search box, and I'm recording, like I said, my PC is not really. And as you see, this is 226.21.1631, and it is really for me until today the best version what I have in my PC. But now I will see is it that official version of this or something's how it is it have some bugs, something, or is it some official version, not major 1, major 2, major 3. I don't know Microsoft what really do. You must go to college to understand really what that means. But okay. And when I finished, like I said, this version, cumulative update preview for Windows, it's of Windows 11. It must be like it always be official finished version. But this version I will see on the net is 2-3 times I will see before it's mentioned on this site. So I will downloading and I will install and record what is built, that how it what number is have some glitch, bugs, too much or something, whatever, and I will record video, and if you get this cumulative update, guys, so watch my videos and you will see I record it, and don't download it if it was have, and I also go to previous my version. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and bye.